Welcome! This is a Finally Bee Learning tutorial. Today we'll take a look at Waggle feature permissions. Here's what this lesson covers. What Waggle is, a look at how to manage access to the admin functionality, how to manage both viewing and access to the search results toolbox and folders functionality, and lastly, managing access to sending mass emails. So what is Waggle? Waggle is our lightweight candidate management system. It's simple and easy to use and works seamlessly across your desktop, tablet, or mobile. Here is the Waggle home page. Once you are logged in as an admin user, click on the profile icon in the top right. Then click on Admin and Role. Then click on Demo Role. From here you can see all the permissions for this role. Notice that I have the administrator permission switched off. Be aware that the admin access switch should generally be excluded and only be set to on for any role that you wish to give the highest level of access rights to. If you click on the question mark, it tells you when set, the user is able to see the admin menu and navigate to the admin page. If you click on the question mark next to Access Search Results toolbox, it tells you that when set, the user will see the Search Results toolbox. As an admin user, I can see both the admin menu and admin page as well as the Search Results toolbox. For example, let's do a basic search. You'll notice I can see both the Actions button at the bottom and the Search Results toolbox. Now I'm going to open up a new browser to show you what a person sees when they are logged in with the demo role, with both permissions turned off. Here's the demo role login. Here you'll notice that this person cannot see the admin menu. Let's try doing a search. You'll notice that this user does not have access to the Actions button, which displays the Search Results toolbox. Now let's go back into the admin login. Switch on the administrator capability and hit Save. Then go back to the other browser. Refresh the page by clicking on the Refresh button or hitting F5 on your keyboard. You can see the admin page instantly pops up for the user. Now let's go back to the admin role and switch the administrator button back off. Then click Save. Then switch over to the demo role user. The change has already been initiated. So if this user tries to click on admin, a message appears that says you no longer have authorization to use this feature in Waggle. The admin access was revoked while they were logged in. Waggle roles and permissions are checked in real time. This provides a good level of security on any role changes that you make. So far we've looked at the Administrator and Search Results toolbox permissions. Let's enable a few more feature permissions. Go ahead and turn on the switch for the Access Search Results toolbox as well as the Add Search Results profiles to folders. Then click Save. Great, now let's switch back to the demo role. Then go ahead and perform a basic search. Now the user can see and access the Actions toolbar at the bottom of the page. They also have access to the folder functionality. If you revoke that access while the user is logged in, they will also see the message that says they no longer have authorization to use this feature. Next, let's try switching on all the permissions for the Search Results toolbox. Then click Save in the top right. Now let's log in as the demo role user. Click on the Refresh button and perform a search. Now you can see all the features of the Search Results toolbox, including the Download, Folders, and Notes and Tags functionality. You'll notice that when I click on Email, a message pops up that says you do not have permission to email all search results. Please select a subset of people to email. Let's take a further look. Here you'll see Send Out Mass Email. Essentially, this permission allows you to enable or disable emailing all of the search results. So if somebody does a search and all the search results are displayed, they are not able to email all of them. The only way they are able to email is by actually subselecting a group of people. Here you can see the email functionality is ready to use. If you deselect, it goes back to the email all selected. This permission is an effective way to stop people from mass emailing over thousands of people and restricts email capability from the start. Adding roles and permissions are a great way for admins to tailor a user role to the needs of an organization. Here's a summary of what we've covered in this Waggle tutorial. We learned what Waggle is, as well as a look at how to manage access to the admin functionality, how to manage both viewing and access to the search results toolbox and folders functionality, and lastly, managing access to sending mass emails. Thanks. I hope you've enjoyed watching. If you have any further questions, please ask our expert team by visiting finally.com/help.